Hello, friends. It gives me a pleasure to talk to you and explain you the details of our political rejuvenation or reappraisal in a long-term perspective. If you take the things in a hasty manner, in a short-term manner, it won't help our administrators and political stalwarts. This is a friend Sharma coming with the WhatsApp number as usual, faceless. Because if the face is there, then there is a trouble of eye and mind. Slowly, we will go with the like minded people. Today, the topic is political administration of states, Karnataka. Karnataka is a very interesting state. Diverse cultures are there in Karnataka. There are cities like Bengaluru, Mysore. Tipu Sultan was there in Mysore. Wherever kings are there, palaces will be there. Even in Bengaluru also, there might be some small houses Tipu Sultan stayed sometimes, but primarily Karnataka state comes under both Tula and Kanya Rasis. In Kanya Rasi there is a sun star, that is why Mysore, Tipu Sultan is associated with that place. Karnataka, from Tula Lagna, the major chunk of the nature of the people of Karnataka, the third house happens to be Dhanu Rashi, which is for Dharma. We also have to see the development of the state. There is tremendous and steady development and expansion of the state of Karnataka. There is plenty of water for farmers in the river Kaveri, to the extent of having disputes with the Tamil Nadu, which is in a Maraka sign, which is in Mesharasi. Karnataka is also bestowed with Lingayat community, various spiritual ashrams are there, Udupi, Belur Mutt, Art of Living Ravi Shankar Ashram. A spiritual line is flowing through the people of Karnataka because it is a Venus sign, Tula, Libra, which has got it's present in Meena Rasi with exaltation, natural exaltation of Venus. Venus is a vehicle in Mesha Rasi too, which takes us to spirituality. In Mesha Rasi there is another star, Sun, which is exalted naturally. Guruji Ekral Krishnamacharya, salutations to him, Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha, tells that Tula Lagna, where Sun is debilitated and the seventh house is with exalted Sun, Sun shows lotus. Lotus stands for purity. Lotus rises from water and mud, but it is unattached to both water. That is the quality of soul. So people of Karnataka have got that line too flowing in their veins. They have got self-respect, rule of law, dharma, spirituality. But the danger lies, Sun is a planet for romance and it is exalted in the seventh house. And Venus is also a planet of beauty and the culture, pop culture, the westernization. If you see the police personnel there, funnily, the police don a western type, cowboy type of hats. We'll be really wondering why the planets are working so correctly. The political fights will be more in Karnataka, and that too, being this is a money sign, is huge amount of money and spirituality and religions or caste play a vital role in deciding the governments in Karnataka. We've seen chief ministers lose the ground very often. There are good administrators like S.M. Krishna, to some extent, as far as the information I know, a standard person. The state of Karnataka, with the exaltation of Sun in the seventh house, has given rather some silly qualities of some lusty crimes also, and that is connected with the software. The sign Saturn is beneficial both, and it is also harmful. So Saturn means karma, and there is very rash behavior also with software people, and recently, not all software people will be like that. There were some crimes with software people in Bengaluru. But the worship of Basavana, the spiritual leader of Basavana, the Kannada language itself is very good, and the food is also very good, which is a Sattvic house in the 10th status, which is Karka Rashi from the Lagna, which makes the state of Karnataka very good for hoteliering. That is why Udupi has come out there. So this is a good playground for BJP. BJP is also in Tula Lagna. Because it is a Tula Lagna a sign, Tula Lagna often comes in midnight, isn't it? That is the reason why it is a cool place. The mean sea level might be helping, and it is a wonderful climate in Bengaluru and Mysuru. And Mercury is the planet for greenery. A lot of greenery and parks are there in both Bengaluru and Mysore. Mysore is a garden city, they say. The language is also Kannada, and the nicely spoken Kannada language is just like Telugu and sweet. Both Telugu and Kannada have a sweet flow in the languages. Siri Kannadam, Uta, meals. Uta Madira, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? The language is very nice. So, this is a prosperous state, Karnataka, Venus. But what about some MLAs in the parliament, in the assembly? They saw some obscene films while the assembly session was going on. That shows the sign is having a exaltation of sun and Mars sign, Mesha Rasi, making such silly things, which speaks of the hidden underground culture of the state. This is one point also to fix the state of Karnataka. But whatever it is a stable place. Of course, like all other cities, the crime and control, the law and order must be dealt with in a special way in Bengaluru and Karnataka. Not only that, because it is a Venus sign, transport, all kinds of transport development is there at a plenty pace. There are wonderful quarrels also between leaders with the ferocity of the male Lagna, like Bijapur or something like that as a second capital. And the political fights and dramas are there from the center to grab the state of Karnataka. This makes the politics of Karnataka too wonderful to watch. With these few words, I take leave and I will appear in another video, friends. Pardon me if there are any mistakes. My intention is to put the mat of Karnataka in front of you, not to criticize anyone. Thank you.